It's closed down on Saturday. They're closing it.
Oh! Oh my god!
What just hit me? Is that what I think it is?
Fuck. The bronco you back a bird just shitted on me. What the hell? Fuck, the bird just shitted on me. What the fuck, dude? That's disgusting. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What the fuck, dude?
Yeah?
I think a bird just put on.
Really?
What the fuck? Yo, I know a bird just ain't shit on me, yo. Yo, come on, yo. I just got out the shower too, yo.